What's going on today, Bread Gang? How are you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. It's an amazing day today here on the channel, and I'm super excited because I have something crazy planned. Something that I don't think has ever been done on YouTube before, but we're gonna try it out today. So I'm starting today at my house. I gotta run by Publix, I gotta run by the grocery store to pick a couple things up for this. I'm sure you guys can tell by the thumbnail, we're trying something crazy today, but I'm super excited. So sit back. I hope you guys just go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I'm dropping bangers all the time, dropping bangers every single day. We're on the road to 365 days straight, daily vlog. I'm on day, I believe today's 128. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, stay tuned, turn on that bell, drop a like for your boy because we're dropping bangers all the time. So sit back and enjoy the damn video. So we left Publix. You guys can tell by the thumbnail and the title. You know what we're doing today. I told them what I'm doing. Do you think this is gonna work?
Yes. Bro, you make anything work, so how is better?
So let me run outside and show you what I got. Look at this. Little tiny, yes. Let me show you guys. All right guys, here's the goal today. The goal today is to make breakfast with only my truck. Now I do have one extra thing that I bought just because I did want to try something else. So my original goal was drive around, heat up the exhaust pipes, and see if we can scramble some eggs on the exhaust pipes. Now, obviously the exhaust pipes are round, so that may not work very well, even though we're still gonna try it. The second option was I went to Publix and bought this little tiny frying pan set made specifically for eggs, and we're gonna put this on the engine somewhere and see if we can't fry an egg that way. Now, I did drive the truck around a lot. I had planned on filming this at the tint shop, but the lighting wasn't right, and I figured being at home might be a little bit better. So that's what we're gonna do today. So, added the Yeti cooler. Out of the Yeti cooler, we pull 6 eggs. Now, obviously, we could do toast and other stuff like that. I think I have bread inside, but the whole point of today's video is to do the eggs. So, bam, there you go. We got 6 eggs. Ain't nothing left. I'm gonna actually crank the truck up and see if I can get the pan hot at the front of the truck. And other than that, we got nothing left but to throw some eggs on there and see if it worked. All right, we're gonna test and see how hot the exhaust pipes are. Yeah, that's drying off pretty quick. It's pretty hot. We might be able to just, that's not a bad idea. What if I could, no, that's not gonna work. Now that might work, because that's really hot in there. I just touched that pipe and it almost burned my finger just from touching it, so that might work. I might leave it in there and just see if it'll get hot for a minute. The one issue I'm running into with the pan is if I leave the pan on any kind of plastic surface in the engine bay, then it's just gonna melt straight into the plastic of whatever it's sitting on. And I don't really want to melt stuff in the truck, so I'm trying to find somewhere metal that I can sit it on that's gonna heat up the pan enough while also not melting whatever's underneath it. And I think that exhaust right there might be good enough. It's sitting on 2 pieces of exhaust, and it might be able to heat that pan up enough to actually cook it. So right now, that's my goal. Those are my 2 goals right now, is the split Y pipe in the back right there, and then I'm actually just gonna just drop an egg on top of that and just kind of see what happens. So I'm gonna give it a couple minutes and let it heat up, and then I'll get back with you guys as soon as it's ready. All right, the pan is definitely heating up where it's at. I just took it off and took my thumbnail picture, and the pan's definitely heating up. So I think if I leave it back there long enough, as the exhaust is running through and just the truck is heating up, it's gonna heat it up enough to be able to drop some eggs on there. And I do have a little spatula that came with it, which is pretty cool. So we'll drop we'll drop one egg on there, see if that works, and then after we figure out if that's gonna work, then we'll drop some on the exhaust pipe and just kind of see what happens. That's my plan. Hell yeah. I'm sure y'all can see immediately that the exhaust pipe is not gonna work. So I'm so glad I got that pan. So quick update for you guys. I've been waiting like an hour. I left the truck running and I've been letting it heat up. So we're gonna take it off and just kind of toss an egg on there and just kind of send it. I might see if I can just crawl under there and put one on it. Here we go. Moment of truth. Cooking? I don't know. I think it needs to be on the... Oh, we're cooking. Oh. We're about done. Let's take it out. We'll see. Oh! Oh, look. There you have it. It's not, I mean, it's still kind of wet, but that is a cooked egg with my truck. Oh my goodness, wait, just for this moment. You gotta eat it. I cannot believe I just did that. I'm not cooking the rest of those though. That was a pain, that was so not worth it. That was so difficult. It took way too long. Clean your plate. So there you have it, guys. If you guys are wondering whether you can cook eggs with the exhaust of your truck, make sure you use some kind of pan. I cannot believe that actually worked. If you guys like these kind of videos, make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. We got cool shit going on all the time. If you guys want to see some crazy videos, drop some crazy videos in the comments below. We've put Legos in the rear. We've traded my blocks for Legos on the back of the truck. We've cooked steaks on the exhaust. We've cooked eggs on the exhaust. Let me know what you guys want to see. I'm down to do anything. We're on the road to 365 days straight of daily vlogging. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I will see you guys next time. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, join the bread gang. I will see you guys next time. As always, let's get this bread.